Planning a multi-city trip alone can be really overwhelming. With the flights, hotels, routes, timing, budgets, it's a lot. For my Copenhagen and Stockholm trip, I used an AI travel planner called imean.ai. And today, I want to show you exactly how I did the whole trip and also share what I would actually change now that I've done it. I mostly travel solo and plan everything myself. For me, the hardest part isn't choosing where to go. It's making everything fit together without feeling rushed or stressed. That's why I was curious to try imean.ai, especially for the multi-city, cross-country trip. imean.ai isn't just a chatbot that gives you random suggestions. It's a travel-trained AI agent built specifically for trip planning. What I like is that it works with real, verified travel data, flights, hotels, attractions, and it actually checks that places exist and are safe to visit. I started adding my flights, Istanbul to Copenhagen and then Copenhagen to Stockholm. What's helpful here is that imean.ai compares flight prices in real time across different airlines and platforms, so you are not jumping between sites trying to figure out if you're missing a better deal. For a multi-city trip, seeing everything clearly laid out makes a big difference. Next, I looked at accommodation and travel options. Beyond flights, imean.ai also brings together hotels, attractions, and local experiences, and everything shown is verified, which is really important when you are traveling solo. This is the part that I really liked. imean.ai generates a clean visual itinerary that includes flights, hotels, attraction, maps, and timing, all in one place. You can download it or share it with just one click, which is great if you want to save it on your phone or send it to someone else. After actually doing the trip, I would slightly slow down a couple of days, especially in winter, but as a basic structure, this worked really well. Having everything in one place saved me a lot of time and mental energy. The itinerary was easy to follow, visually clear, and realistic, especially helpful when moving between cities. I would still recommend double-checking museum opening hours around holidays and leaving some buffer time. AI makes planning easier, but flexibility still matters, especially when traveling solo. This is great if you are a solo traveler, planning a multi-city trip, traveling in Europe, or just tired of opening 15 tabs to plan one trip. It doesn't replace your travel style, it supports it. If you want to try imean.ai yourself, I will leave the link in the description and pin comment below. You can test it for free and see if it fits your travel style. Let me know in the comments, would you use AI to plan your trips?